For outdoor enthusiasts, the Garmin Fenix series has long been the epitome of a high-quality smartwatch, capable of withstanding the harshest environments. Whether it's about GPS accuracy or robust structure, the Garmin Fenix series is designed to deliver the top-notch performance you would expect from a rugged watch. However, it's been a while since the introduction of the Fenix 7, and competitors have evolved to offer even better quality smartwatches with longer battery life. This used to be one of the key features of Garmin, but it seems like Garmin might be falling behind. Or are they? Well, Garmin has its answer with the upcoming Fenix 8 Pro, which is expected to come with some handy upgrades. But what features would help the Fenix watch regain its rugged Watch King title? Let's find out. The hype for the Garmin Fenix seems never-ending. At least that's what you would see on Reddit forums. The Fenix 8 is surely the most anticipated wearable in the upcoming months. The first upgrade you can expect from this forthcoming smartwatch is the inclusion of solar technology across all models. We know Garmin has different editions of smartwatches. Even the Fenix 7 has multiple versions to choose from, and not all of them have the advantage of solar charging. But with the Fenix 8, you will enjoy more battery life, even on the standard edition, thanks to solar charging. Speaking of battery life, the Fenix 7 Pro, even with solar charging capability, can offer up to 18 to 20 days of use. In comparison, competitors like Coros now offer almost double the battery life. This is one major criterion for Garmin to be concerned about. We expect a significant battery life upgrade along with more efficient solar charging to make its watches as reliable as before. Regarding health sensors, Garmin recently announced the Elevate Gen 5 optical heart rate sensor with the Fenix 7 Pro. Garmin rarely changes its sensors significantly, so chances are the company will stick with the same heart rate monitoring sensor for the Fenix 8 as well. However, this should be the least of concerns since the sensor has so far performed quite accurately. As for the design, due to the inclusion of solar panels in each model, the Fenix 8 might get a bit larger than its predecessor. However, the 42mm variants will still be available. Upgrading to an AMOLED display is less likely to happen as that is reserved for the EPIX lineup. The MIP display seems more suitable for the Fenix lineup as it ensures extreme visibility of metrics, even under bright sunlight, and helps to maintain a low profile in dark hours. Apart from these, the body of the Garmin Fenix series is already durable enough to withstand any pressure or weather conditions, so there will likely be no changes in the design. However, depth sensors would surely be a welcoming feature for scuba divers. Predicting the release window of Garmin products is challenging since the company has a reputation for launching its products whenever it wants, and there are not many rumors about it. However, Garmin could launch the Fenix 8 Pro in Q3 of 2024, most likely in August. This timing would be strategic as Apple has its Watch Ultra release scheduled in September, already giving Garmin a hard time. Garmin would likely want to avoid clashing with Apple's launch to ensure it gets the spotlight. Nevertheless, we expect more upgrades, such as increased storage options, including more activity modes, and more. What upgrades would you love to see on the Fenix 8 Pro to make it your ultimate adventure companion? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.